If you're experiencing FPS drops in Valorant, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Valorant. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This will help lighten the load on your system. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Updated drivers can improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Change your Windows power settings to high performance. Go to Control Panel, select Power Options, and choose the High Performance plan. This setting allows your computer to use more resources for gaming. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Valorant, close unnecessary applications running in the background. Use Task Manager to identify and end tasks that are consuming CPU and memory resources, freeing up more for the game. Step 5. Monitor system temperature. Check your system's temperature to ensure it is not overheating. Use monitoring software to keep an eye on CPU and GPU temperatures. If they're too high, consider cleaning your hardware or improving ventilation. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Valorant. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.